In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use a Stripe checkout page. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Payment Links. This will open the section where your saved payment links are listed. Next, find the payment link that you want to use. Take a moment to confirm that you have selected the correct one. When you locate it, click Copy URL beside that payment link. This copies the checkout link so you can open the customer-facing payment page. Now, open a new browser tab. Paste the copied URL into the address bar and load the page. This will take you directly to the Stripe checkout page connected to that payment link. Once the checkout page opens, review the information shown on the screen. Check the product details carefully. Look at the listed price, the billing frequency if it is a recurring payment, and the order summary. This helps you confirm that the payment page is set up correctly and that you are about to pay for the intended product or service. After that, move to the Contact Information section and enter your email address. Then choose the payment method that you want to use. Stripe may offer several payment options depending on how the payment link was configured. Select the one you prefer and enter the required payment details. This may include the cardholder name, country, or region, along with any other required billing information. Make sure each field is completed accurately so the payment can be processed without issues. Before you submit the payment, take one more look at the order details. Confirm the total amount shown on the page and make sure everything is correct. This final review is important, especially for subscriptions or recurring charges. When you are ready, click Subscribe or Pay to finish the checkout process. Stripe will then process the payment, and once it is successful, you will be taken to a confirmation screen or shown a success message. That is how to use a Stripe checkout page from a Stripe payment link. The process is simple once you know where to find the link and how to complete the checkout form. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.